Hello everyone, let's try to solve another very good puzzle. The question is, a kabaddi coach has to select a team of 4 players out of 6 players, U through Z. So we have players U, V, W, X, Y, Z. However, the coach must ensure that the following conditions are satisfied while selecting the team. So we have few rules according to which we'll be selecting 4 players out of 6 players. We have to make sure that we only select 4 players out of these 6 to form a team. So the first condition is U and X cannot be in the team together unless Y is also a part of the team. So until and unless Y is not there, U, X or UX can't be together. I hope this is clear. Let's read the second clue. V cannot be in the team if W is not in the team. If W is not there, it implies that V also will not be in the team. Third clue is neither W nor Z can be in the team if X is in the team. So if X is there in the team, it implies that W will not be there and Z will not be there in the team. The last clue is if Y is in the team, Z also must be in the team. So if Y is there, Z must be there in the team. So out of these 6 players, we have to select a team of 4. So let us find out what are the teams possible. See, we were given that if X is there, then W cannot be in the team, also Z cannot be in the team. And it is very clear that until and unless W is not in the team, V also cannot be in the team. So if X is there, W won't be there, Z won't be there, which also means that V won't be there. So which clearly means that if we select X into the team, we cannot have W, Z, V. So these 3 players, they are already out when X is selected. So now only 3 players are remaining that can be selected, which are U, Y and Z. So if we select X, we cannot select W, Z, V. Z also cannot be there. It was given that if X is selected, Z will not be selected. So now we have only 3 players, which are X, then we have U, then we have Y and Z. So now we have players left as U, we have Y left and we have X left. But we know that to form a team we need at least 4 players. So that means if we select X, it is not possible to form a team. If X is selected, you cannot form a team. So that means we cannot put X into any team. So we are very clear that if we select X, we cannot form a team. So let us completely remove X from these 6 players. Now we have only U, V, W, Y, Z as the players available through which we can form a team. So let us try to find out what are the teams possible. See, we can have U, V, W, Y. Then we can have V, W, Y, Z. Then we can have U, V, W, Z as another team. Then U, V, Y, Z is also possible. Then U, W, Y, Z, this is also possible. So these are the teams possible if we completely remove X from selection. Now let us go through the conditions once again and we'll check which of these teams are possible. Now if we look at the first team, we have U, V, W, Y. And we had a case that if Y is there, then Z has to be there. But in the first team that we have U, V, W, Y, we have Y but we do not have Z. So this team is not possible. Then if we look at this team U, V, Y, Z over here, then we had a case if W is not there, V cannot be there. But here V is in the team without W being there. So W is not there. So this team is also not possible because V cannot be there without W. So we have only 3 teams possible which are not violating any conditions. These will be the teams. So we'll be answering the questions using these only. First question is, if Y is not in the team, then who among the following must be in the team? So we'll choose the team in which Y is not there. So this is the team. If Y is not there, then we'll have U, V, W and Z. So we can have U, we can have W, we can have Z. So all of these will be the correct answer. Second question is, in how many ways can the coach form their team? So we have only 3 teams possible. So 3 will be the correct answer. The third question is, among the 6 players, how many players will definitely be in the team? So that means we have to find out which players are there in all the teams. So V is there only in 2 teams. W is there in all the teams. So we have W as the player who will be in the teams possible, in all the teams possible. Then do we have Y in all the teams? No, we do not have Y in the second team. Then do we have Z in all the teams? Yes, Z is there in all the teams possible. So we have one more player. So W and Z are the players who will be there in each and every possible team. So they will definitely be in the teams. So there are 2 players who will definitely be in the team. Fourth question is, who among the following cannot be in any team? So we have done it in the beginning of the set. We saw that if we select X, it is not possible to form a team. So X cannot be in a team. So the correct answer will be option B. I hope you understood the solution to this set. We simply had to form possible teams following the conditions given. So I hope you understood the solution to this set. If there's any doubt, please ask again. Thank you.